Hello, I'm John Heritage, Senior Lecturer in Bacteriology at the University of Leeds. I used to be a clinical scientist before entering academia, and what I want to tell you about is the history of infectious diseases. From the dawn of civilization, we've exploited microorganisms without appreciating their effects. Microbial products have improved food safety and its storage immeasurably, and a single species, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is responsible for the leavening of bread and the production of alcohol, hence its names. Depending on your interests, this is either baker's yeast or brewer's yeast. Plague. Our early understanding of microbiology was hugely influenced by infections. Of these, perhaps one of the greatest influences on the history of the Western civilization has surely been wrought by the plague, caused by the gram-negative bacillus Yersinia pestis. Mycobacteria may have influenced fashion for a short period when high collars were worn to hide the lesions of scrofula, and syphilitic lesions were also disguised with makeup during the 17th century. Yet plague held Europe in a devastating grip during the Middle Ages and well into the 17th century. Bites from the fleas that live on black rats transmit Yersinia pestis from infected animals to humans, particularly in conditions of poor sanitation. In Elizabethan England, for example, during episodes of plague, measures were taken to warn inhabitants to keep the channels against their houses free from filth. Furthermore, they were advised not to make dunghills out of the stables in the streets. Ticks, lice and bedbugs have been shown to act as vectors of plague, but spread other than by the fleas is rare. Fleas gorge on the blood of an infected rat. They thus acquire the bacteria circulating in the bloodstream of that rat. Bacteria multiply within the flea gut. If rats are not immediately available, then humans will provide an alternative supply of blood. The flea can then inoculate the human victim during a subsequent feeding session. The most common form of plague is bubonic plague. The site of entry may develop a pustule or carbuncle, but this is not common. The infection localizes in the lymph nodes, causing them to swell. Subsequently, bacteria spread around the body.